Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Pinkvilla is hiring for Content Intern Entertainment. Let us check this job role. The Pinkvilla team is looking for talented, smart data entry interns for the entertainment domain. About Pinkvilla. Pinkvilla is one of the largest digital websites in entertainment, lifestyle and fashion categories with 30 million unique users and 15 million social media followers. Headquarter Mumbai, job location, work from home, time 10 am to 7 pm, working days Monday to Saturday. Now let's check the roles and responsibilities. Data entry of in-house data. If the data is not available, research about it and validate the data. You will be entering data for entertainment domain, movies. Make sure that you have excellent knowledge about Bollywood background. You should have good command on written and spoken English. Should have good researching skills on Google. Who could you be? Background and experience. Should have your own laptop and good Wi-Fi connection. Should have basic data entry and validation knowledge. Available to join immediately. Avid follower and updated on Bollywood. Team player and detail oriented. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, चैनल को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.